Using a box cutter or a utility knife, cut the outside, bottom, and edge of the box along the dotted line. Lift the box over the unit and unpack the bike. Insert 2 carriage bolts and secure them with any adhesive tape to ensure that it is in place at the bottom of the rear stabilizer. Slide in the rear stabilizer to the main frame. Use 2 flat washers and 2 cap nuts and secure it using a wrench. Install seat back bracket onto the seat carriage. Use 3 hex head bolts and 3 flat washers and secure it using a wrench. Do the same for the other side. Plug in both oval end caps onto both ends of the stabilizer tube. Install seat handlebar onto the seat carriage. Use 2 hex head bolts, 2 flat washers, and 2 naylock nuts and secure it by using a wrench. Do the same for the other side. Plug in the hand pulse cables into the sockets located under the seat back. Please note that these cables can be plugged in either socket. Install the seat cushion onto the seat carriage. Use 2 Phillips head screws by using the included screwdriver. Do the same for the other side. Attach a line to the end of the cable for easy insertion to the console mast. Run the computer cable through the console mast. Pull the opposite end of the cable and twist tie it through the console mast until the cable exits the other side. Install the console mast into the receiving bracket on the top of the main frame. Secure the console mast by using 6 hex head bolts and 4 flat washers and 2 curved washers while using the wrench. Install the handlebar onto the console mast. Secure the handlebar by using 2 hex head bolts and 2 flat washers by using the wrench. Plug all of the connectors into the back of the console. Attach the computer cable and the resistance switch wire. Secure the console on the mounting plate and hide the cables inside the console mast. Screw in Phillips head screws to the back of the console by using the included screwdriver. Install the tablet holder to the back of the console by using 4 sheet metal screws. Install the pedals onto the crank arms by using the included wrench. Do the same for the other side. install the bottle holder to the console mast with 2 Phillips head screws and tighten it using the provided screwdriver. Do the same for the other side. You're good to go. Conduct a thorough visual inspection of the Recumbent bike and assess all its features and functions before using it. Make sure to read all warnings and instructions in the LCR Recumbent Bike Owner's Manual before beginning to assemble the LCR Recumbent bike. Follow all instructions as given. Sole Fitness is not responsible for damage, injury, or equipment failure caused by improper assembly or use. If the installation process appears too challenging, please call Sole at 866-780-7653 and request a technician to install the product in your home. The technician installation service is not included in the price of the product.